Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I think this will be the first time I've helped somebody with a 3D printer. They have to have it in Corel and then they export it to a DXF and then they, I guess, send it to the printer. And it's hard to kind of tell, but he said it leaks, and look at that right there. Those are two separate lines. So I'm just gonna work on this one. But I'm gonna nudge. Well, tell you what, I'm gonna work on this one because I'm gonna nudge all the text out of the way, and maybe even that star, because I don't want to interfere with that stuff. Now, if we look at this, let's look at a bad spot. Look right there. Those are leaks. I don't know why it needs to be that thick. I'm going to change it to a hairline real quick, because these are like hairlines over here. And see, you really can't see the leak as bad. And I still don't understand this part of the eagle going through that line. You might want to look into that. Tell you what, let's go ahead and put that back to that thick line. And hopefully those will work. So I'm going to grab it all with my pick tool. And then I'm going to grab it with my shape tool and look at all the nodes. Then I'm going to select all the nodes. And I'm going to go to Windows, Dockers, and Join Curves. I've got mine set on, well, 2.4 millimeters, which I don't know what it is. And I'm going to hit Apply. Let's look now at those leaks. Now the leaks are gone. So now the one I'm helping, there's still some, especially if you're 3D printing, there's some lines that, like right there, you don't need that. And, this node is going to interfere with that. I don't, maybe let's look at it now as a hairline. And those things might not show up. You still need to look into this. I know nothing about 3D printing, but I don't see how that will work when you got that eagle on top. But now it should be sealed up and you shouldn't have any leaks. And I didn't really have any, I couldn't ever get it to leak before. But if we take the Smart Fill tool and see that's not leaking, that's going on that continuous line out the eagle's head. And then you could take and move everything back over. And I think you're good to go. I'm a little anal. This word doesn't look like it's perfectly text to path on that path. Or this one here, this one's higher here and shorter here. And if you need some help with that, that would be very easy to correct. But there's a lot of double line. Now, 3D printing, I have no clue. But this is the DXF, so I think now if you export this as a DXF and send it to your machine, and when it does, I would love to have a picture of what it looks like 3D printed, because I have no clue what these lines are going to do. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.